with the roster system.
Meghalaya BJP will field its candidate in the 2024 Lok Sabha elections from 2 seats of Meghalaya, says Animal Husbandry Minister of Meghalaya Government and BJP leader Alexander Lalu Haig. Haig said that BJP is a national party and it is obvious that BJP will field its candidate from Meghalaya seat, but the final decision will be taken by the party high command. It may be known that a few days ago, in a meeting of the United Democratic Party, UDP, a constituent of the MDA alliance had talked about advising all the parties of the alliance to support a common candidate in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections.
High Command will decide, but they will set up their own candidate. But the High Command will decide.
Okay. So, put up one candidate.
Yes, BJP is a national party. They should have their own candidate only. They will decide, but the High Command, national leaders will decide.